Foundation is a society for social improvement and sustainable transformation. Today, we're here at San Antonio National High School in Makati City to give away Herschel bags in courtesy of Primer Group of Companies. These popular Herschel bags will be given to junior high school students to help them gear out for success.
Thank you so much, Primer Group of Companies, for this Herschel bag. And I feel very delighted po kasi finally meron na po akong bag and meron na po akong mag-share na bag with my mom. Thank you po for this opportunity.
Maraming salamat po pala sa Primer Group of Companies dahil may bago na naman akong bag na magagamit sa aking eskwelahan.
I would like to thank you po, Primer Group of Companies, for giving me this adorable bag. Magagamit ko na po siya everyday. Thank you po.